Alright, so let's talk about this weird little mount here for a second. This is called a swivel mount. This is a new little mount we picked up from King, and if you look at it, you notice, well, there's not exactly anything swiveling. Now, when I first got this, I honestly didn't like it. I thought this was kind of ridiculous. I wasn't really sure what situation I would be using this in. But then, almost miraculously, as soon as I got my hands on a few of these things, I found quite a few situations where these were actually the perfect thing for that situation. Let's say you just want to put up a quick little shelf in your office. You have a weird angle. Like for me, recently I actually used these to put up a quick little shelf in my office. It was in the corner, so I just wanted a weird triangle type shelf, and there was really nowhere I was going to be able to go buy one. And I didn't want to go through the effort of making a bunch of custom brackets to have to hang this thing up. Had a few of these, actually just mounted this to the wall, took the thing, bent it with my hand to get the right angle, boom, instant shelf. Very, very easy and cheap mounting solution. And also, this is a great way to put up some type of security type thing that's not going to be permanent. So let's say you have a client and they recently had a child, right? They have a baby or a toddler, or maybe they even just got a new pet, a dog, a puppy, or something like that, and they want to block off an area. Now, it's not going to be a permanent solution for them. They don't want it to be there permanently, but it's going to be there long enough to where they should have something that's reasonably sturdy and not cheap, like some cheap thing they would just buy off of Amazon. Well, this is an excellent solution for mounting whatever it is that you could be making for them. That way you don't have to go through the effort of making this big, solid custom thing with custom mounts that can't really be removed easily. With these, you literally just put this on the wall, and whatever angle or degree that you need, you just take your hands and you just bend this thing to whatever the degree is that you need, mount it on there, and this can easily be removed. Now, the great thing about these is they are interior or exterior because they are galvanized and powder coated. So you know that the coating is going to last. You don't have to worry about rusting or wear and tear in the elements. And you can easily design your panels or whatever it is that you're making to slide in here to easily be able to just slide out, because you have enough play in here to be able to design something to where it can be easily removed by whoever wanted to remove it, but not easily removed by, say, a kid or an animal with thumbs.